In this BDRSuite demo, I'll guide you through configuring backups for your Google Workspace and restoring your data when needed. BDRSuite provides a complete backup solution for your Google Workspace data, covering user mailboxes, Google Drive, calendars, contacts, and shared drives. It also features flexible storage options, data export in formats like PST, and much more. To get started, visit the BDRSuite website and click Start Free Trial. Download and install BDRSuite on Windows or Linux machines, or run it as a Docker container. For a step-by-step video on installing the BDRSuite backup server, check the link in the description box. Be sure to fill out the form provided for technical assistance. Once the installation is complete, open the backup server's web-based console in your browser, enter your username and password, and click Sign In. You can now experience BDRSuite's full-featured 30-day free trial in your environment. As a first step, configure the backup repository to store your backup data. You can do this from the Infrastructure Backup Repository menu. You can use either on-premise or remote storage options such as DAS, NAS, or SAN. Alternatively, you can use your own public cloud storage, including Amazon S3, Azure Blob, Google Cloud, and S3-compatible services like Wasabi, MinIO, and Backblaze. Now, let's add the Google Workspace Organization as data source for backup. Navigate to the SaaS Applications tab, Data Sources menu, and click Google Workspace Organization. Click to add New Google Workspace Organization. To add your Google Workspace Organization to the BDRSuite backup server, you'll need the admin email, client email, and private key. You can generate these details by creating a new project with the required APIs enabled and setting up a service account. For a step-by-step video to add Google Workspace Organization, click the link in the description box. Once you complete the steps to add your Google Workspace Organization, it will be successfully listed as a data source for backup. You can now configure backups for your Google Workspace Organization. Navigate to Backup. Configure Backup. Google Workspace menu, and choose User Mailbox. In this demo, I'll guide you through configuring backup for user mailbox items. For a how-to video on shared drive backup, check out the link in the description box. Now, specify a name for the backup, select the backup repository, and click Next to proceed. Select the Google Workspace Organization for backup. Click to select all domains, or choose a specific domain to configure the backup. You can either choose all users or specific users to configure backup. You can also customize your selections to backup items such as emails, Google Drive files and folders, calendar events, and contacts. In this video, I've set up a backup specifically for all domains and selected specific users, including their emails, Google Drive, calendar, and contacts. You can exclude mailbox labels or Google Drive folders. You also have the option to filter out specific Google Drive files to include or exclude from backup. BDRSuite offers flexible backup scheduling options. Select the backup frequency for incremental backups. For this demo, I've configured daily backups to run at 9 p.m. The initial backup is a full backup, and from then on, it's forever incremental. I've also chosen the default values for the advanced backup settings. By default, compression is enabled, which helps you save storage space. Retention is disabled by default, so all mailbox data and increments will be retained. You can enable retention and customize policies based on your storage and compliance needs. For example, if you want to retain items like emails, calendars, and contacts that were modified or created within the last 3 months, set the retention period to 3 months. Items older than 3 months will be automatically deleted from the backup repository. You can also customize retention for Google Drive items, choosing between versions or days. Click Next to proceed. Finally, review your backup job configuration. If you want to run the backup job immediately after configuration, you can check the box and click Save. Once again, click Save on the confirmation dialog, then you will be redirected to List of Jobs page. Here, click on the In Progress icon and view the status of the backup progress. Once the backup is completed, you can edit, check status, view reports, and manage your backup jobs from here. Click the Report icon to view the backup job level report. Next, let's look at how to recover items from your Google Workspace Organization. Navigate to the Recovery menu and click Restore Backup Data. Click on Restore to initiate the restore process. Now, choose Restore User Mailbox to recover emails, calendar events, contacts, and Google Drive items individually. Select the domain and click Next to proceed. Select the time range to view the available restore points. I've chosen Recent Success, which displays the restore point of the latest successful backup. Select the restore point you want to restore. Once done, click Next to proceed. Now, choose the mailbox from the list of mailboxes you backed up. In this video, I'll show you all the granular recovery options. First, choose Entire Mailbox to restore everything for the selected user: emails, calendars, contacts, and even Google Drive items. Or, you can select the Mails option to restore only the emails for the selected user. Restore entire folders within the mailbox, or specific emails. You can also click View Mail to instantly see the email, and click Download if you want to save it as a .eml file. You can also choose to restore the selected emails to the same or a different mailbox, download them as a PST file, or even restore them to a different organization. If you want to restore Google Drive items, you can either restore them as a folder or select specific files to restore. You can download files directly by clicking the Download button. If you select multiple files, they'll be downloaded as a zip file. Additionally, you can choose to restore them to the same or a different user, or to a custom location. Similarly, to restore calendar items, select Calendar Events to view the calendar entries, either by folders or as individual entries. You can choose single or multiple calendar items to download directly, or restore them to the same or a different mailbox. Alternatively, select Contacts to list the contact items. You can choose to restore them as a folder or as individual entries. Select single or multiple contacts to download directly, or restore them to the same or a different mailbox. In this video, I've selected a mail restore and chosen to restore a few emails to the same mailbox. Review all the recovery configurations, and then click Restore to proceed. Click OK Proceed to start the restore process. You will be redirected to the Restore Backup Data page. You can click on the Progress icon to check the status and view the restore progress. Once the restoration is completed, click on the Report icon to check the restore report. You can navigate to the target mailbox to find the restored emails. Now, it's your time to try it out. Visit our website to start your 30-day free trial. And if you need any assistance, contact BDRSuite support. Thanks for watching.